Samsung continues to expand its popular Galaxy M series lineup with the Galaxy M17 5G, a mid-range smartphone that balances performance, battery life, and affordability. Designed for users who want powerful features without breaking the bank, this device promises smooth performance and long-lasting endurance for everyday multitasking and entertainment. Stunning display with smooth refresh rate. The Samsung Galaxy M17 5G features a 6.67-inch PLS LCD display with a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2408 pixels. Its 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth scrolling and fluid animations, ideal for gamers and content consumers alike. The punch-hole design gives it a modern edge, maximizing screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. Triple camera setup for creative photography. The smartphone sports a versatile triple rear camera system consisting of a 50MP wide-angle main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. This setup allows users to capture detailed landscapes, portraits, and low-light shots with clarity. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera that delivers crisp and clear selfies, perfect for social media enthusiasts. Additionally, the device supports 1080p Full HD video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring stable and vibrant video output. Reliable performance with 5G power. Under the hood, the Galaxy M17 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, paired with an octa-core processor and 8GB of RAM. This combination ensures lag-free performance while multitasking, gaming, or streaming. The phone comes with 128GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via a dedicated memory card slot, giving users ample space for apps, photos, and media. Massive battery for all-day use. One of the major highlights of the Galaxy M17 5G is its massive 7000 mAh battery. This powerhouse ensures that users can go through a full day, and even more, on a single charge. The device also supports 25W fast charging, letting you quickly refuel and get back to what you love without long waiting times. Modern connectivity and security. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports 5G, 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.4, NFC, and USB-C version 2.0. Samsung also includes a rear fingerprint sensor for convenient and secure unlocking. With Android 16, users can expect a clean, responsive, and up-to-date software experience with Samsung's signature One UI enhancements. Expected price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy M17 5G is expected to launch at a price of 18,990 Indian rupees, rumored, in India, positioning it as a strong contender in the mid-range 5G smartphone segment. With its balanced mix of features, battery power, and modern design, it aims to deliver excellent value for money. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy M17 5G seems to be a promising addition to Samsung's M series, focusing on performance, endurance, and everyday usability. Its huge battery, high refresh rate display, capable cameras, and 5G-ready chipset make it an appealing choice for users seeking a reliable device under 20,000 Indian rupees. If the final specs hold true, the Galaxy M17 5G could easily become one of the best value 5G smartphones in its category.